Hey traders, just got back from Bible study. So you can see here we have the orb. And let me get this out of here. This is orb. And what we're doing is basically we never got down here to the Asia low. So here we are. Let's see if it's going to break this. This is a 5-minute chart. Man, that's a long wick right there. That's liquidity right there. Rejection, we also have liquidity to the downside liquidity right there. Let's see if we can break that. So what do we see here? We have the orb down here where it started right there. Then we kind of pulled back right here. So we're at that point where it's going to reach that, and we'll see. Again, we want to see this close, right? Let me reach this up here, and we'll see. We need to see a pullback back into the orb range, and then go back out. A lot of volatility. Wow. So here's the 2-minute. I don't know if I want to. Let me see this. 439. This one we're pulling back. Let's see the 5-minute. Yeah, so we're doing the same thing here. This must have been a wick right here. I don't know. That's a wick. Let me check something here. The data. Looking at data. It seems like that's a wick. Oh, that was the wick. That should be white because of my wicks are white. We do have a fair value gap right here, so let's see what's going to happen here. So this is right here. Pull back right there. This may go down to this fair value gap down here, depending on where this is going to close. Yeah, look at that. So what is that? That's where they're trying to bring it down now. Minute left. Let's see where they close the candle. There's the move up. That's what we're looking for. Let's see if they close above the orb high. – 24 seconds. Let's see. Nine, 8, 7. No, they're closing below. Oh, wait. I have a last second push here. 2 seconds. Nope, it's below. Emil. Huh. I'll close below. Look at that. Okay, 2 seconds. One, are we going to be below? We're in below. Look at that. So we have a rejection right there. This is being, you see how the 9 EMA is really supporting this. You see how it's closing above the 9? So we can get a candle here to close below the 9. You see how all these candles have been closing above the 9? Just the wicks that's been piercing it, but it's not closing below it. Got a minute left. Let's see if they're going to pierce this again. See what the 5-minute looks like. Same thing there. So they might pierce. Let's see what they do here. They got 3.5 minutes on that one. So they can still play around with that. Go to the 2-minute. They're on 37 seconds. Let's see what they do. Technically, we're going through here. And we go up all the way up here. Possibly up to here. Let's see. Again, 7 seconds. Are they going to finally finish above? 2, 1, and they do. So let's see what they're going to do here. I will take this. Let's see if we can get through this liquidity, sell side liquidity. Looks like they're trying to get through it. There, we went right through it. There's the fair value gap. Most likely get down to the orb high here. Let's see. No, we don't go down. Here we go. Yeah, IBI. So here we go. We're going to test this IB. So where could the target be here? Let me see here. Hold on. The IB, where's the low here? Or blow. So that's right there. Okay. Right there. IB high is up here. Correct. That's it right there. Might be mistaken. It could be up here. Okay, if that's the case, there's our target right there. So I'm going to bring this target up to here. This one going to be going up to here. See, we can push this momentum up. We do have a downside liquidity here, a sell side liquidity. Let's see if we can go through that. So we can push through the momentum here. I think we got up as much as 98, I believe. So let's see if we can get past that. There we go. There we are. We passed it. We broke it at least. Let's see if it's going to continue going up. Should I say we breached it, not really closed above it. See if we can build up some momentum here to the upside. Huh. It's going to hit that take profit on the downside. Let's see. Need some momentum to the upside. Maybe hit that take profit to the downside because of this liquidity right there. Sell side liquidity. Let's see. It's going to show me that I should have taken that sell side. There it is. See there? Should have taken it. Let's see if we can bounce off the orb high here. Man, this is unbelievable. Where's this going to go? Man, these guys, they have no momentum to the upside. Got to see what they're doing here. So it seems like they're going to be bringing this. I want to see when they break this. Oh man, 214. This is just unbelievable. Don't do this to me. $35. Let's see me once off here. Come on, guys. We got a minute left. Let's see what you're going to do. Going backwards. Come on. Seven, 4. Yep. Backwards. We need to get up to the one, at least the 110s. Not the 210s. Just 1 minute. I hate this when they do this. 234. We need a big push up if we want to see anything here. Other than that, yeah, it's one. Not down. Nope. I don't want to see it that way. Let's see what they do here. See, they don't have strong momentum going up. It just basically just. I thought they would. You get into the 110s. 50, 40. 30. You need to make the progress going up, not going down. 7, 6. Let's go. Nope. There's really no momentum up. You guys are killing me. Yep, that's going to be going down. See that? There it is. You already knew they're going to be bringing this down, so this is going to be coming down. Let's see where they're going to be bringing this to. That's what I hate. So we're orb high right here. We're in there. So let's see what they're going to be doing here. Let me getting down here. Here's the fair value gap. And go all the way down here. So here's the 55 EMA. Let's see it bounces. It bounces off there. So here's the +1 deviation. Let's see. We're going to continue coming down to test this down here. WAP. That's a 233 EMA. See, the thing is, I think if this may bounce off the 55, which it's doing right now, it may hit this, come pull back here, or even pull back to the +1 deviation and come back down. Or even test that orb high right here, which I don't want it to do, but see, here we go. Let's test it. I'm going to test that orb high and also the +1 deviation. Again, you can see it's bouncing off the 55. This may continue going up. Like I said, use the 55 to bounce off. Let's see. There's the fair value gap to the upside. Let's see, depending on what this candle does. So far, it looks like it's coming down. You're going to come down right here and then continue going up. Yeah, see that? That's what it's doing. See if they can close above that orb high. See? 13 seconds. They're going to be above. Let's see. Close it out. Looks like they're going to be going above. That's very tricky what they're doing here. You know what? There's the buy. Let's see what the risk here. Right there. So this is going to be going up. It's going to be going up to at least here. Oops. Right up here. Plus 3 deviation. TP1. You can see they don't even have that much momentum. They're trying to figure out if they want to go up or down on this one. Hello, who is this? Waj. Oh, I'm not getting enough momentum here. Nothing. Look how small those candles. I mean, the bodies of those candles are really not that much momentum. Hey, what's up? Who is that? Wajbo. Wajbo. It's so concerning that they have no momentum here. They might just pull it. It might come down here, test this fair value gap, or they just pull into the orb high. Man, they always do this to me. They always do this to me. There's more momentum on this down candle than it is on the up candle. Oh, they're finally pushing it up. Let me see if they continue with this. Okay, needs to make it higher to 121 here at least. Like we're going backwards. Can you guys give me some momentum here at least? Man. Yeah, we're going back down. Look at this erratic movement. We can't even get a sustained, upside here. Look at this. It's so erratic. This has more of a downward momentum rather than upward. So it's bouncing off that orb high, and it's not doing anything besides that after that. It doesn't want to break that the IB. It does not want to break the IB. Can we at least push this up? At least break the IB. We can't even have any sustained up move. Just so erratic. Unbelievable. Hey, Ish, watching this just creep up slowly, slowly, slowly. They don't. It seems like they don't want to break this IB at all. They got close to 200. Now I'm kind of slowed down. There, 78. Let's get up to nine. Let's get up to the 90s at least. That's where we got up. We never reached there, 190. Let's say we can break 200. See, it just comes back down. '92, '96. Oh, we might break it. There it is. We in the same trade. Great. What was your profit target? Mine's at 1.25 extension up there, close to the TP1. I might just have to move this maybe to get to the TP1 here. And then this one, I might have to move up to the 1.25. This one, I might have to move this to maybe right there. TP2 is up here. Now I'm trying to figure out where the 1.5. What is this on the 2 minute? Let me look at the 5 minute. Tell me where the. Oh, it's up here. Hey, that's pretty. What is that? I wonder if I have that on my thing here. I don't think I have it on my 2 minute. Oh, yeah, I do. Right here, 1.5, right there. Might have to consider that. Here's the extension, the ultimate extent of the 61.8. See if we can break this high, this IB high. Like that, it's having a hard time just to break it. They need to have a lot of momentum here. Yeah, see, it's going down again. 205, let's go. 214, need at least 250. 222, 220. 230. Well, there, 259. Let's go. Well, maybe they need at least 300 to break this IB. 50. There we go. Yeah. Let's see if we can get up past this pivot, this 280. Oh, if I can hit all those targets, that's all close to 500, hopefully. We hit the 300 barrier. Come on, momentum. Just keep on going up. Just like I said, it doesn't want to break. Look at that. We just pierced it. That IB high. Yeah. Look at that. Nothing. Just ran out of energy. Where's this going now? They'll probably pull back into the. like I said, it's having a hard time just to break that IB high. It's very concerning if they can't really muster up some momentum here just to break that. See, Al goes a bit there. What time is it? Oh, this is so frustrating. They can't muster up enough momentum just to break that IB. Yeah, they're just piercing it, but they're not closing above it. Oh, they finally got back to 200. Will they sustain it is the question. Like I said, they can't close above it. They need at least 250, 300 to close above that IB. So here we go. Regresses back down. This is unbelievable. Let's see, they bounce off that plus one deviation here. If they not, you know what? They don't want to close above it. They're just playing around with this freaking IV. They're just piercing it, but they don't want to close above it. Now the 262. Let's see if we can keep that up and close above this IB. We got how many seconds? 26, less than 30 seconds. Let's see if we get up to 300. $12 Get up to 300. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 262. Are we above it? Yeah, finally. Time is it? 11:46. I'm trying to get the. Hopefully they can get this through lunch. No, don't go back down. Get over a minute left so you can come back up. Come on. 55. Just unbelievable. Here we go. Come on. That's the momentum we need. Don't quit now. There, 500. Come on, keep on going. I want to make sure that I'm not going to be 721. I should quit. And because I don't want to jeopardize my consistency here. Maybe that's 712. Hey, Sean, how you doing? Hey, Sean, I'm using Tradify. Tradify Select. Great to hear. In fact, I was in Kuala Lumpur maybe New Year's Eve. Like Kuala Lumpur. Thinking of moving on me, maybe just staying there for a couple of months. Can we get up to 6? Vacationing. In fact, I was just wanted to check it up. Last time I was in Kuala Lumpur was I think in 2014. I think 20. I don't know when I was there, but I was there with Marcello. So that was around what 2019. So I got there. I went there this past Jan for New Year's Eve, right? And I really liked it. I mean, it improved a lot. I mean, it grew a lot, developed a lot. I was over by the Petronas. That is right, the Petrona Tower. In fact, I was in. I think it was it Seda or was it Ascot? Yeah, Petronas Twin Towers. I was staying at the Ascot, I believe. Well, I it came with some friends, but I was staying at I forgot the name of the hotel, which was next right next close there, but I really liked it. And is this going to pull back here? Let's see. Hopefully, it pulls back to the 9. That's the 9 EMA. Let's see if we can bounce off that. Thanks, son. So how you doing? What are you doing? Are you trading? How are you doing with that? I mean, what are you trading prop firms or are you trading your own money? But that's good to hear you're still trading. Yeah, well, yeah, Lucid is banned here, and we're Philippine traders are not able to use Lucid. I'd like to use Lucid. However, I have we have Tradify. What else do we have here? Futures, funded futures. Or I think it's funded next futures. I think I could try those guys out too. But I hear Lucid is really good. Yeah, let's see what they're gonna try to do here. So we can get it to 600. It's really close. Or hit that first target at least. Yeah, I like Tradify. I like their select account. I think Lucid has a select account as well. Here we are, 600. Let's hit that first target. $583. Come on. Keep on going up. Have you already received payouts, Sean? Sometimes, well, at least you're getting payouts. Yeah, I already got payouts from Certify, but what I like, I get payouts through crypto. It's faster. Ah, okay. You haven't got paid out from Lucid. Well, good to hear that Apex is paying you. Yeah, that's also that's Marcello is in the background of that one. So, but again, take profit is banned here. It wasn't banned before, but it got banned. Marcello is in the background because take profit is by one of his one of his coaches, yeah, Iceman. Yeah, exactly. James six Smith is running. Yeah, that's basically that's Iceman. Yeah, Marcello is in the background of Take Profit. They can just push this. 650 at least. 37, 40. Come on, push it out. Well, I guess it's gonna be more than 650. It needs to get maybe 700. No, I still have Ninja, but I really like TradingView. It has a lot more indicators, and uh, I can actually code my own indicators using Claude. Are you still using Ninja, or are you using Trader? And plus, TradingView you can access it anywhere. Either using I sometimes trade on my iPad. I can't do that on Ninja Trader. Okay, good. That's the only thing limitation about Ninja Trader is that you have to have a Windows based. With this, I'm using both my Windows based PC and also my iPad when I'm not on my PC. Oh yeah, TradingView is both web based and they have their app. You can download from Apple Store or Google Store. They have the desktop version as well, the desktop app. So it's here 1209. We dip below the 600 again. Let's go and get back up to 600. There we are. Again, we need to get at least 650 around here. Let's go. 6, 1, 20. Let's go up to 20. 73. 76. Get up to 650. Yeah, Ninja. I was with Ninja Trader Brokers until they banned the Philippines, and they gave me back my money. Yeah, in fact, it's more advantageous to trade props rather than your own money. You trading your own money by any chance? Because you can do both. You can trade your money and prop, or whatever money you make out of the prop you save to trade your personal account. And what is this trying to do? Is this going to pull back into the? They don't want to hit that thing. Okay. Good, Sean. Looks like you're doing really good now. Is that what you're doing full time now, or is that just uh, your your side business now? Okay, good. Great to hear that you're actually pulling some money out of the market. You'll get there. It's a journey. It's a journey. I'm not consistent. I used to be until um, I stopped really educating people because I couldn't do that when I was employed with when I was with Apex. I couldn't really teach. They didn't allow it. You'll get there. What time is it? 12:14. Can they make this target by 12:30? At least that first target. 7, 6. Can we get up to 6:20 at least? I guess they're having a hard time to get up to 6:20. They get up to 6:13. That's about it. See? Look, watch. 6:06, 6:07. Yeah, see, they peter out. 6:07, 15. Oh, let's go, let's go. 15, 19. Oh, maybe they spoke too soon. 10, 15. Come on. 10, 15. It just peters out after that. Oh no, it's going below. I'm trying not to revenge trade after taking some losing trades. That's how low my eval and PA. Yeah, I think yeah, oh 6:36. Okay. Yeah, I sometimes do the same thing. I think it's just a given. It's some human trait. You just have to control. Well, here we might hit 650. Didn't hit my first target. 67. Oh, we got 700 here. 7. 8. 9. 700. Wow. 20. Let's go. There we go. That's what I needed. Okay, where am I now here? I don't want to. I want to be consistent here. 894. I think I'm done with that. Let me see. 26. I need 3 more hundred. Oh shoot! I need 300 to pass. Yeah, it's been grinding ever since what this week. I need a little over 300 more to pass this. Let's see. Stuck right now. Looks like it's between 90 and 91. Let's see. See, now it's 78, 85. Yeah, it's going back down. I always sometimes when I copy trade, I usually do, but maybe 2 or 3 at the most. If I'm going to copy trade, it's going to be 5. But I've been doing more on. I would alternate accounts. How about you? You copy trading? Let me bring this to maybe up to here. $30. Come on. Let's get up. Oh, we're back to. Oh, this is okay. Let's see if we can get up to 500. 20. 30. Yeah, good. You're doing good then. Let me see what this is. I just want to see. I don't want to be 170, 61. 40. 450. Yeah, I think I'll be happy with this right here. Hitting the 1.25 extension of this one. I'll be happy with that. Let's see if we can get up there. No, I'm more into this. I'm trading SMC, smart money concepts. It's more in the either I look at the 2 minute right now. You see right now the 2 minute and the 5 minute. Are you using? What are you? So what? Are you trading Renkos? Or are you trading the tick chart? Or are you using a time based? Okay. Tick chart. What tick chart? 610, or are you using another? And what are you trading? Are you trading MES or MNQ? Okay. MNQ then? Time is it? 12:23. This may just die. It's lunchtime. Let's see if they can hit that target up there before lunch. I would need a good push to hit that target. Okay. Yeah, I don't trade NQ, but I do trade MNQ. So you're trading the E minis, not the micros. I only trade micros right now. No, in fact, this is a 50. Well, this is a 25K, but I have 50Ks that I trade micros. It gives me, I can risk more. I mean, gives me a wider uh, stop loss, and I can adjust how many contracts I want to trade. Well, in E minis, if you trade one E mini, you're stuck at one E mini. I mean, unless you're trading more than a 50K account, and I won't even want to try to trade an E mini on a 25K. In fact, on a 50K, I'm trading still micros because, like I said, I can adjust the number of contracts and also adjust and manage my stop loss. The risk is not you control the risk by the number of contracts you're trading. While if you're trading the e-minis, you're stuck at one e-mini unless you want to really over leverage yourself and start again depending on how many what's the size of your eval or your PA. But I wouldn't be trading one e-mini until maybe 100K account, 150K account. Yeah, because you don't. I don't want to over leverage. It's taking its time. It's taking its time just to get up there. Mm. I'll be back. I have to go. I'll be right back. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it is ranging now because it's lunchtime, 12:30. You can see the box here. It says lunch. Here's the morning session, the lunch. Let's see if they're going to bring this up. I'm going to make this a tighter stop right there. And if it goes, hits that, that's fine. Been trading 50K accounts, but recently trying the 25K. No success yet. Well, it's pretty hard on 25K if you're trading e-minis. Yeah, if you want to do that, you need to trade the micros, not to over leverage yourself, and also um, not hit that. If you're trading, if you're trading Apex, the trailing drawdown, unless you have the end of day. But it's really hard to pass a 25K trading e-minis. Now here, it looks like we're going to be hitting this. Well, how much am I up here? 813, okay. Yeah, this might hit my stop here, my trailing stop. Unless it bounces off that. What is that? Yeah, that's the 21 EMA. Let's see if it bounces off on that. Oh, it looks like it's not. Well, then, 380. Well, let's see. It looks like it is. Let's see if we can get up to 400 again. Nope. Actually, it's coming down. Yeah, 25K. I start off with one micro. Then if it's in a trend, I scale up. But I don't trade on a 25K. I don't trade more than three micros. On a 50K, maybe the most I'd trade is between. I'd start off at maybe one. I always start off with my one micro, and then if it trends, then I'll be scaling in, and the most I would scale in would probably be on a 50K, probably at four. But on 25K, the most I'd scale in is maybe three. It's going to go up. Gonna try to test this thing up or what? 399. Let's get 400. Let's go. In fact, you get more. There's more volume trading micros than or trading MNQ than NQ. MNQ has twice the volume on as compared to NQ because a lot of retail traders are trading the MNQ. Yeah. Yep. We can get past this 420. Oh, 430. Okay. Or at least past 450. Oh, it did pass 430. 450? Who's that? Hey, thank you. God bless. We need to push it up maybe 450. $40, 45. There it is. Let's see if we can get that second target, then we'll be done. Man, this is just almost like turtle turtle trading, where it's just basically just grinding this market out. 460, come on. 76. We may get up to 500 again here. 70. Wow. I may settle with 500. Let's bring this down right here. I don't want to be a nitpicker, but we're over here. 465. 69. 60. Good morning. Oh, no skill. You must be in Asia if you're saying good morning. Or wait, what time is it there? It's Eastern time. It's 12:45 p.m. Unless you're in the West Coast, then it is still morning. No skills. Are you in the West Coast? In the West Coast or what? Yeah, morning in the U.S. Yes, but in the Eastern time zone, it's really in the afternoon. It's lunchtime. It's here. It says your New York lunch. However, if you're in either the Central, you're still morning, 11:46 Central Time. Mountain Time, 10:46. And Pacific, what did I say? Pacific, 9:46 a.m. Correct? Here it's just turning. It's morning, but it's Wednesday morning, not Tuesday morning. There, it's not like in the States. It's Tuesday morning. Here it's Wednesday morning, just turning 12:47 a.m. Now you're in Vegas. Okay, yeah. Oh, it hit this first target here, or a second target. I'll call it a day. It'd be like 550 here. Let's see. 530. Can you get up to 540 here? Another push up. 26, 19. Kind of petering out here. One more push up. We can hit that first target. So there we go. 536, 444. $49, come on, 550. There it is. 560. There we go. Hit the first target. Hopefully we can get this other target will be done. Thanks. Just taking what the market is willing to give. That's about it. Not forcing anything here and just trading on the. You can see I use fib extensions, so, and also VWAP. Deviation levels as well. There we go. Done. 1008. That kind of blew my. So what am I here? 26. So I need another, what, 180? Yeah, 180 more before I pass. But I need to get this consistency. So 700, whatever I got last time. I think 700 something. And let's say 760. I don't know what I got last time. I got to check. But anyways, that's it. See you guys tomorrow. In fact, I'm uploading a video here where I traded the Asian lunch to the London opening where I got, I think, 600. And just added it to it now. Okay, guys. Hopefully you guys are green. Hey, Sean, were you trading? You got green? And I know Ish was here. Ish, are you green? Hey, you too. No skills. In fact, I'm going to sleep. It's 12:51 a.m. here in the Philippines. You have a great day over there. Satoshi. Great job, Ish. I'm green. Okay. What time do I start? I usually start around between 9:30 and 9:45. Sometimes I'm late, like today. I had Bible study for my men's group, so no one else. Okay. Nice ish. Yeah, New York time, Eastern time, between 9:30 9:45 a.m. Eastern. Okay, I usually trade the 30-minute orb, so that's why. Okay, Satoshi. Talk to you guys again tomorrow, and have a great day. Hopefully, you guys are all green as well. See you, Sean. See you, Ish. I don't know if Emily's still here, but have a great day. I know, Sean. You, what are you doing up? I'm about to go to sleep. Take care, Sean. Nice hearing from you. See you, Ish.